Sanbonani, football lovers. Welcome to Sporty Wongzi Kamalambongi Nkosi. I'm going to do a lineup prediction of Kaizer Chiefs versus AS Simba for the match that is going to be played at Dobsonville Stadium. It's a second leg game. Kaizer Chiefs obviously drew 0-0 at Lubumbashi. So now they have to make it their responsibility that they win this game. They score and they don't concede. Because if they concede, it becomes difficult for them. But let's get straight to it. Number one, I don't think we're gonna change much, especially from the lineup. I know we're gonna change much because the lineup that started versus Iswelele, it was because they had to make forced changes because of the traveling, logistics, and everything that transpired at Lubumbashi. But on this one, I think we're gonna see the same faces that played on the first leg. Gonna see the same faces because number one, obvious, Brendan Peterson is our number one goalkeeper this season. He has showed that hopeful Guti is gonna play now with the responsibility after taking that captain belt. So it simply means Guti has a responsibility of making sure Guti leads from the back. He's very vocal, doesn't make silly mistakes because ngathi le band libuye libasinde labafowethu because once waqoka le band ngathi Zakhali, he nearly made a blunder but he recovered very well. So far so good for Brendan Peterson. I don't blame him that much. There's nothing to say bad about him this season. I think it's gonna be his season. After 8 games, I think he has how many clean sheets? 6 in 9 games. Or 6 in 9 games. So that shows with okay, this season it kinda ngathi. Left back Bradley Cross. I was shocked to why didn't he start on that game versus Iswelele, but he came on and he showed with why he's our preferred number one for now since other players are injured, others are fighting for that to come back to full fitness. Players like Aboshing, Marco injured. He's solid at the back, can offer us numbers going forward. Left center back since Miguel, it seems ngazathi akekho kahle usafuna ukulwela full fitness. I think they will use Aiden McCart if something changes. He passed the fitness test, or Miguel maybe he can start. But experience was needed today because we saw what if he crumbled when we played versus Kabuskop or Aiden McCart. Hopefully ukuthi uzozibamba ziqine manje because one thing about him that is concerning is the fact that he misjudges the height of the ball, he mistimes his tackle, and we don't need those mistakes because we're gonna be giving out free set pieces. But I believe with Ifikala we have to pick him up. Right center back Zita Kunika. Zita Kunika is enjoying the best football of his life this season. I don't know what he wants to secure a contract extension or these are just his goodbyes to the team because he's consistent in his performances, of which it is something that we never saw in the previous season, but this season he's showing good. No, I'm capable because one thing about him is calm, composed and relaxed, and I've noticed good he likes pushing a lot. Just imagine if he was playing as a right back. It simply means good he was gonna be those typical right backs that like to invert, giving that space for a fullback, for a winger to operate. So it's Zita Kunika. Right back is going to be Dylan Solomons. He was arrested versus Iswelele, but we're gonna need him the most on this one because his speed is gonna be key in terms of recovery and make sure when he overlaps, he balances attack and also with the defense. Let's go to the middle of the park. One mistake the coaches shouldn't make is to field the Ox and Kele at the same time. That won't work for us so that we can be creative going forward. Number 6 is going to be Nyambose. Nyambose, his role at Chiefs is overlooked because of people focus on his weaknesses more than his strength. Because without him in that middle of the park, we are always exposed. It was good to see the coaches deciding to sub him versus Iswelele because that gave us an indication ukuthi kahle kahle the reason why we are not exposed most of the time, it is because Ox is there to cut the attacks of the opponent. The only thing nje mina engayiprefer ukuthi angazibukeli phansi, let him not dull his buckle, whereby ukuthi he knows very well ukuthi ama long passes anokumkhahle, because I saw when we played Iswelele he wanted to play that long ball to Ulilepo, but Ulilepo didn't continue with his run, but people were starting to crucify him as if now he killed someone. But I hope ukuthi naye you will then realize ukuthi no, I was on a good path whereby which I was comfortable playing and no pressure. And then number eight, it's Umshini need to control that middle of the park. If it need be ukuthi drop a deeper collector and connect that defense with the middle and also attack, because he has good and sharp passes, breaking of the lines passes. So it's good to see with okay, Umshini can bring the difference in that middle of the park, because whenever he's there, there's a lot of chances that are being created. And then again, number 10, hey, I'm Mtota uyashisa, his explosiveness and also is very tricky. He can dribble past ama opponents. Just nje ukuthi one thing that is letting him down is that final touch on the final third. Make the best decision and then sekhona to celebrate. Left winger Pulemodi uyabuya, because we're gonna need him, because I know ukuthi those players will want to use wing play and they will try ukuthi bayenzeni outpace Bradley Cross on that left. So it's going to be vital for him Gutabuye, so that he can help us, because he has that ability to be able to drop deep, track back, defend, and also when we attack, he joins the attack. Now he's one player I'd say Guti on the final third, decision yamkhahle. Decision yake yamkhahle decision making. And then on the striking force, I think we're gonna use Ighodaro since Umayo is injured, because they play more of the same kind of football whereby they drop deep, they collect, link play, and then attack again, make sure they make those runs. They've got an ability to dribble past defenders, so we need that when we play in that with that team, because we're gonna need players that will be able to unlock a defense. And one thing that our fullbacks and our wingers must do is to supply strikers, cross those balls. You can't have a striker that has an aerial prowess but you are not crossing. How do you expect him to score? Even in that game that we played versus Swellen, I didn't even recall any moment whereby I saw him shooting a shot on target. Maybe it was that one of an offside, but besides that I don't recall. So they need to cross as many balls inside the box, because he's good aerial. Go right winger, yeah, I think we're gonna use Lilipo. Lilipo has to make sure he helps the team with the runs that he makes, his speed, and make sure he tracks back and assist in terms of it defending. That's what we need from Lilipo. Yes, Villa can start, but that's not his kind of a game, because we're gonna play against teams that are very physical, and Vilakazi is not that kind of a player that is physical. So it will be difficult for him in that game to shine. That's why even go first leg they've introduced him second half, because they know very well he has that ability to unlock defender, to unlock the defense, because he has those good passes and also his football IQ. But akusuloko kuphela okudinga ebholeni, you need also ukuthi ube namandla wokucompete. So obviously if uzoqala first half bazoyenza sure ukuthi bamkhiphe egamini, and of which is something we don't need. Subs I think is going to be Bruce Vuma, Wandile Duba, Lebohang Maboy, Thabo Cele, Spesihle Ndlovu, Gaston Serino, Mfundo Vilakazi, Ashley Dupree. Maybe we can see a little bit of who can also make the bench. I think uFrozler can make the bench because I don't think if it happens ukuthi akayiphasanga i-fitness test uMiguel, we won't have that cover in defense because you know ukuthi hey, anything can happen. So if an injury comes, you know we have to have a plan B. Whereby maybe we can shift to cross, simise ku-left centre back, sithathe uMakhadi adlale as a left back. Yabo. But I don't know what do you think? Do you think this starting 11 can help us win? Comment in the comment section below. This is it for today.